OOP is the foundation every LLD interview is built on. 4 pillars. Get comfortable explaining them with concrete examples. Because interviewers don't want textbook definitions, they want to hear how you actually think about design. Encapsulation. Hide the internal state. Expose only what's necessary. A public balance field on a bank account is a disaster. Any code anywhere in the application can set it to negative 10 million. Make balance private, enforce all changes through deposit and withdraw methods, where you validate every input and maintain invariants. The real payoff, your internal implementation can change completely. Different data structure, different representation. And nothing that uses it breaks. The public contract is what's stable, not the internals. Abstraction. Expose what an object does, hide how it does it. A cache interface with put, get, and evict. Whether the implementation uses Redis, a hash map, or a database is invisible to the caller. Product service asks for a product. It doesn't know or care what happened underneath. The interface versus abstract class question lives here. Use an interface to define a contract with no shared state. Use an abstract class when implementations share common behavior or fields. Know which fits your situation. Inheritance, ISA relationships. Dog, ISA animal. Use it when the subclass is genuinely a more specific version of the parent, and when Liskov substitution holds. Don't reach for inheritance just to reuse code. That's what composition is for. And never model has a with inheritance. Car has a engine, not car as a engine. Polymorphism. One interface, many implementations. A list of animals, you call speak on each. The JVM dispatches to the right implementation at runtime. Dog returns woof, cat returns meow. No type checking anywhere. Interface polymorphism is the more powerful form in practice. A payment processor interface with Stripe, PayPal, and a mock implementation. All used identically by the checkout flow. This is the engine behind almost every design pattern in this series. One more the interviewers love, equals and hash code. The contract is strict. If a dot equals b is true, then a dot hash code must equal b dot hash code. Override one without the other, and your objects silently misbehave in hash maps and hash sets. Keys that should match don't. This is a real production bug category. Subtle, hard to reproduce, ugly when it finally surfaces. Always override both. Always. The classic question, what's the difference between abstraction and encapsulation? Abstraction hides complexity. It's about what an object does. Encapsulation hides state. It's about how it's implemented. Both are about hiding, but at different levels. One clean sentence wins this question over a 3-minute monologue. 4 pillars. Every design pattern in this series is built on these 4, applied in different combinations. When you're stuck on a pattern, come back here. The principle is always one of these, applied.